Hey guys, it's Mallory, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture just using your phone. So it's really easy. Just go to Google Plus like this and search your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to type in my YouTube channel like this. Then press search and go to it. Go to your home and then click on your picture. Then it says edit profile. Press that. Click on the circle and then do either take photo, your photos, or your albums. Then click one and select a photo or take a photo. When you're satisfied, that's it and that's all. So bye. Thanks.